To add a user on your Switch 2, go into Settings, and then go down to User, and then select Add User. You can add user without sign in, but once you will try to sign in, you will need to log in to a Nintendo account. So give it a name and hit OK. So once you go back, you can switch user on the top over here. So you can go up. This is my profile. This is my new profile. So you can select it. And here, if you want to continue, you will have to sign in. Just follow the instruction with your phone. You will be taken up on the Nintendo page to create your account or sign in. I hope this was helpful.